Well, good Sunday evening to you. It was a really nice day outside today, maybe a passing shower or thunderstorm, but the silver lining had a really nice picture sent in from the Mandy Campbell. She sends in the best pictures. Look at this rainbow here with the mountains in the background. Just a great end to our Sunday. Now, there are some changes on the way for the week. Got some rain chances into the forecast for Monday and also into Tuesday. But we have a dry pattern behind it. So here's the reason for the rain chances. If you'll look into the national scene here, seeing some active weather up to the northwest there. This is associated with an upper level trough there. We have a ridge over us right now, keeping us pretty dry. But what happens here is this trough starts to make its way into our area here. It really starts to dig in. What happens at the surface is a cold front will push through too. There's also some embedded short waves into the mix. The key here is the cold front comes tomorrow afternoon into the evening time. So the first part of Monday actually is pretty good. You know, we have some partly cloudy skies, but in the afternoon, as that front is pushing through, that's when the rain chances and storm chances come into play. So notice here, just cloud coverage for Monday all the way through the lunchtime hour. It's not till about the drive time home that we start to see some indications of some rainfall coming into the mix. This is literally that front making its way in. That front brings in some lift, some moisture, brings in those rain chances, and here we see it. And it's going to continue into the overnight hours even as it pushes through. So if you have any plans for tomorrow afternoon into the evening, maybe practice outside or dinner plans, it might get a little rained out as we go into the evening hours. And it continues into the overnight as well with some thunderstorm chances onto the eastern plains there. Some of the eastern plains could see some thunderstorms that could be strong to severe at times, and those storms and showers continue all the way into Tuesday morning. Tuesday morning, we might start the day pretty gray with some cloud coverage there, pretty much area wide before we clear out going into the afternoon there. So high temperatures tomorrow into the upper 70s in Colorado Springs. So again, we warm up tomorrow. The day starts okay. 81 in Canyon City, 83 in Pueblo. It's not till Monday night going into Tuesday we start to feel the effects of that cold front. So notice here, as that system starts to make its way down, it brings with it some cooler air, but we really don't start to see it infiltrate in terms of temperature wise until Tuesday into Wednesday. So here's what that looks like temperature wise. You'll notice tomorrow, we're pretty much on average in the 70s and 80s. Into the 50s for our high temperature in Colorado Springs on Tuesday, mid 60s in Pueblo, and then we start the climb back up, but we're still below average there for Wednesday. Now Tuesday night could see some snow in some spots. I'll touch on that into the bottom of the hour hit, but we'll go over that in a few. For now though, looking pretty nice in Pueblo, 64 degrees on the Discount Motors cam, no notable weather conditions to take note of. And here's downtown on the Phil Long Ford Motor City camera, 63 degrees there, pretty calm evening for us. So here's how that plays out. Warm tomorrow, got the showers and storms into the overnight hours. Tuesday, another round of some showers and some rainfall. Wednesday, we start to look upwards, and then full sunshine there for Thursday. That's the same story in Colorado Springs. So here's a look at the 10-day forecast. You'll notice a lot of 70s on the board.